everybody should let in mind to come to Obuafo TV. If any YouTube channel you go on YouTube, go to Obuafo TV. If you want to see nice videos, something that you never hear, more than 100 years, 10 years, you want to see, you never see, go to Obuafo, subscribe, Obuafo TV. Whatever that you need in this world, good things, you will get it there. If you want to know the good things in this world, if you go to Obuafo TV, you will see a lot of my videos there and you get whatever that you want. My name is Chief Obuafo, the spiritual leader in Ghana. The spiritual man, no anybody can break his record in Ghana. The one spiritual man in the world, people are trying to break his record more than 20 years time. Up to now, they not get in size. He has been a while, more than how many years now, people are not listening to me again. People are asking, this chief, is he still in the world or he died? Or some of spiritual people in the world, they let everything come down. No one can break my record until Almighty Allah. He alone can break my record in this world. Come to me and your life and your destiny, it will never be the same. Any channel you go, make sure that you subscribe Chief Obuafo TV. Whatever that you know that you need about spiritual issues, about your life, your business, whatever that you have been doing is not moving forward for you. If not Chief Obuafo TV that you go and get whatever that you want, any channel you go, you receive yourself. Come to me and what you want in this world, you get it. What is your problem? It's about marriage. Or you are a pastor, your church is not moving forward for you. You need crowd in your church. You need eyes to see. You need powers to heal. Go to Obuafo TV and see my 99 videos. Take the contact and call me. And me will talk one-on-one on video call. Lot of people are using my videos, frauding people. If you go to any YouTube channel, you will see my video. This is the spiritual leader in Ghana, Chief Obuafo. But we are seeing different numbers. How come? Any number you see on social media, my number is 0555. It's 555 1000 332 0555 100 332. Apart from this number that you see on my YouTube channel, any number you see on YouTube, any social media, make sure that it's a fake number. Don't let somebody to steal my video. I am a popular in this world. I help a lot of thousand people in this society. My name is Chief Obuafo, only the spiritual leader in Ghana. Unbreakable chief. Nobody can break my record in Ghana. Take the contact on the screen. You call me one-on-one. Oh, Chief Obuafo, the spiritual leader in Ghana. I see your video. I need your help. My marriage is not moving well for me. I need a child more than 10 years now. I'm not getting a child. I need your help. My husband is deceiving me. How will I do? And my husband will love me the way I want. There's only one person in this world you can contact. Don't contact any pastor. A lot of pastors are fake in this society. Contact only Chief Obuafo. Go to Chief Obuafo TV. If you go to Chief Obuafo TV, whatever that you need, you will get it there. Let me repeat my number. I am repeating the number because of one thing. People are using my videos, frauding people, saying that they are Chief Obuafo. They will download my video on YouTube channel. They will put their fake number on it. So watch the number well in my map on the screen. The number is 0555 100 332. 0555 100 332. Take the number and call me, and whatever that you want, it will be yours. There is a lot of people in America, Germany, England. They are calling me, giving me a lot of reports. They say, Chief, it has been a long time. We never see you. What is the problem? Did something happen to you? I said, no, there's nothing happened to me. I am the spiritual leader in Ghana. And God bless me, and God bless me today, and God bless me tomorrow. I want you to come to me, and me and you will talk one-on-one. You can call me on video call, the way you have been seeing me. I am somebody who was promoting people inside poverty. I am somebody who you don't have it. I can change your life for you. I can let you be somebody in this world. You need money like $1 million, or $2 million, or $10 million. Or you need money like 10 million pounds or 20 million pounds. You need money like 10 million euros or 20 million euros. Should I go and contact the spiritual man? No. But don't forget about Chief Obuafor. Don't let somebody to deceive you. Just contact only the spiritual leader in Ghana. Nobody can break my record. There is one woman deceived herself. She need help. This woman wanted to come to me. She made a mistake and went to a fake pastor. A fake pastor like Owusu Bempah. There is one fake pastor in Ghana here called Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah is a fake pastor. There are a lot of pastors in Ghana, they are fake. Owusu Bempah is somebody that is nobody in Ghana. People are in Germany, in America, listen to Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah cannot change your life for you. Owusu Bempah has a secret court. When they have, it's not he alone. That secret society name is a symbol of darkness. That's the name of that society that those pastors in Ghana have been joining. Owusu Bempah is somebody that he cannot help anybody. It's only God. He have that he was taking bragging. I have this, I have this. How come a pastor you are going to fight your fellow pastor? The time that Agrada, she's a spiritual woman. That woman was going to your church, giving you big money. Agrada will fraud people in this world and take the money and go and give it to Owusu Bempah, and you are collecting the money chopping. Now the woman said that, oh, I don't want to sacrifice God again. My name is Patricia Wodru. Now she say a pastor in Ghana. How come that now you are fighting her? You are a pastor. Somebody is doing a sin. You supposed to command the person inside the sin. The time that she was doing that kind of thing, you know that it's a sin. She was following evil. You cannot command her. When she was carrying big money, 200 million, 300 million, giving to you Owusu Bempah, you are collecting the money as your tithe, chopping the money in your church. But now that the woman said that now I am member of God, I am a pastor, now that you are fighting to the woman, why show that you are a real pastor? Owusu Bempah is a fake pastor in this society. Come to me and your life and your destiny will never be. Anybody is a fake pastor in this world, I'll mention his name. So Owusu Bempah is a big fake pastor in this world. My name is the training entertainment chief in part of another region called Tamale. Come to me and your life and your destiny will never be the same. People need to come to me to change their life for them. People want help from me. Oh chief, where will I go to get whatever that I need? People in America, that's the spiritual leader in Ghana. Don't let anybody to deceive you and take my video and fraud you. Anytime I am repeating this new video I am bringing out, watch the number well. Before that, if you see my number, I have seen your number, chief. Call me video call 1-in-1. If you call me video call on this my YouTube channel, I will use my personal number to call you, and you see, oh, this is the chief of Obuafor that you are using. I am talking. The way you see my face, if you call me video call, it's the same thing that way you see me. Don't let you call somebody video call, tell you I am in the shrine, I am busy. The person is a liar. The person is still they know that I have good name in Ghana. I have good name in this society. Everybody know about me, and they want to spoil my name. Only this mighty Allah, every day that I mention his name, he bless me. I am nobody. Today I reach where I want. I did not reach, but I thank God where God take me and reach. In this world, when you sleep and wake up, it's only if you are going to some place, it's only one thing that you think about it. Know where you are coming from and know where you are going to. But if you don't know where you are coming from, you can't know how come that you are traveling and then somebody will meet you on the way, ask you where are you coming from, and you say I don't know. Are you out of your mind? Before you do something, know where you are going to before you know where you are coming from. Listen to me and listen good, my fellow people in this world. I am somebody who can let somebody's life to change for him. Money is the key, and money is the power to change any life. First, we are cutting videos 40 minutes. These videos, I want to do it short. I want people, you have money already. You want people to hear from you. You need protection to protect yourself. Call the spiritual leader in Ghana, Chief Obuafor. There's nobody. If you come to me, your life and your destiny will never be the same. What did you want me to do for you? Oh, Chief, I need your help. Take me as a spiritual father. I will be your spiritual father today, and I will be your spiritual father tomorrow. When you come to me, even though you cannot come, you can just send me only your name. I will take your name and give it to my powers, the spirit. He will protect you and guide you, and you get whatever that you need in this world. Your business is not moving forward for you, or you have a company, the company is collapsing. So some of your workers are taking you, passing one way to destroy your life for you. Don't let somebody to deceive you. Come to me, and your life and your destiny, it will never be the same. What do you want me to do for you? You just say, Chief, this is what I want from you. I want you to help me to be somebody in this world. I want you to help me to get a lot of money. I want you to help me to my whatever that I'm doing, it will move forward. No enemy can take me and go to spiritual person. No enemy can take me and give a pastor. No enemy can take me and go and give a thick pastor like Owusu Bempa. Go to Chief Obuafor, the spiritual leader in Ghana. No one can break my record in Ghana, and this world, nobody. If you want to invite me in America, I will come. Germany, I will come. Europe, I will come. Dubai, I will come to you and work for you. But in Ghana here, if you need me, you are in Ghana, you follow me and come to me. Money, he is the key to open any door. When your door closed, when the key lost, when you find your key, you do not leave. If you don't break the door, unless you find different person, they will come and cut different key for you. Without know the key, the door cannot open. The key can change your life for you and let you get whatever that you need. It will work for you. So come to me and you get whatever that you want. I am saying it again. People are using my videos, frauding people. You go to on my YouTube channel, Chief Obuafor TV. That's the only channel you can go in the whole this world. No any channel you can go and get whatever that you want, apart from Chief Obuafor TV. Chief Obuafor TV is number 1, and Chief Obuafor TV is number 2. Chief Obuafor TV is number 3. Go to Chief Obuafor TV and you get whatever that you want. How will you do and meet Chief Obuafor? You can meet only Chief Obuafor on 0555 100 332 0555 100 332. Take this number and call me 1 in 1. You will know that the money you are bringing, you are not throwing it away. Chief, I need your help. Chief, I want you to help me. My business is not moving forward for me. How will I do? And I will get whatever that I need. I beg Almighty Allah, I beg you, by the grace of you, anybody who is watching me, his business is not moving forward for him. Guide me and protect me the way I'm helping them. Whatever they need, they should get it and come to me. Anybody who want to come without have money, I pray to God, God should let the person to get money. Don't go and fall some wrong tribe, or somebody will set a tribe, you go and fall inside. Who said that wrong tribe is the fake malams in this world? Armed robbers, criminals, Jones, they don't have any use, only stealing people videos to be frauding people. You can just only come to me and I'll show you how that will do. Money is the key to open any door. Come to me. Give me your name. If you wanted to come to me, if you write your, or if you see my program, if you want me to check something for you, use your hand like this. Write your name. Text me with your name. Send it to me. I will watch back. I am not in your house. My spirit will follow you to your house. If you need money, any amount of money that you need, you call me. I will know how to do, and your life and your destiny, it will never be the same. Come to me and whatever that you need, and you get it. So, my followers, what I said, if you need me, just take the number, you call me video call, and me and you will know how to do. I will make sure whatever that you need, that's what you get. The number that I mentioned, it is on the screen. Take the number, and apart from this number, Any number that you see, make sure that it's a fake number. Call me one in one, and me and you will talk. I want to end my program here. If you need me, take the digits and call me one in one. Salam alaikum.